Greetings everyone, this is Danny from harrtravel.com, your Oceania Cruise experts, and today I have the great pleasure of being on board the beautiful, brand new Oceania Vista. In fact, it's so new that we're here in Italy and we're going to give you a sneak peek of this incredible residence. It's one of the 3 beautiful owner suites here on board. Now, if you've seen the owner suites on Riviera or Marina, you'll find a similar layout, but that's where it stops. It really is quite a bit more space. I really love the way that they've not only updated and made the decor absolutely stunning, but in addition to that, I think it's an amazing use of the space. Now, I'm going to take you through the space in just a moment, but keep in mind when you're ready to book this incredible suite or any room or suite with Oceania, Regent, or Norwegian Cruise Lines, make sure you reach out to the experts at Harr Travel. We know the spaces inside and out. We have an incredible relationship with the cruise lines, and we know we can help craft your cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the Harr Travel signature service every step of the way. Now, being that this is the very top suite on the ship, you're going to get everything that Oceania has to offer. You're going to find it highly inclusive, and you'll get exclusive amenities such as boarding day lunch right here in your dining room in the suite. You'll also have early embark and disembark privileges throughout your entire cruise. You'll have quite a few more amenities. We'll go through them in a moment, and of course you can see them down below. But to me, what really sets it apart is the exquisite butler service. They're here to pack and unpack. They can draw a bubble bath for you. They can take care of all your reservations or even in-suite course-by-course dining from one of the incredible specialty restaurants here on board, or any of the restaurants for that sake. Now, keep in mind that Oceania's tagline is the finest cuisine at sea, and I can speak to the fact that they deliver it time and time again. There's some brand new restaurant concepts here on board. Of course, you can see those in our full ship tour. We have all the other rooms and suites on our channel as well. Now let's tour this incredible space. Now, these owner suites are truly meant to be your residence at sea. This ship does some shorter cruises. It also combines for some incredible grand voyages. Keep in mind that those sell first, and this particular suite will sell out generally before it goes to the rest of the cruises. You're going to want to get on the Harr Travel upcoming deployment list so we can let you know as soon as space will be coming out, and we can do our very best to grab that for you so that you can make this your home away from home. Now, we've started off right here in the living room space, and it does feel like a living room at home. You can see the beautiful decor in collaboration with Ralph Lauren Home. Tucked in the corner, you've got a writing desk. And one of the things that you'll see right away is you've got a window on that side. So a bit different from what you've seen on the previous iterations on Marina and Riviera. You're going to have large deck space outside on either side, one with access from the master bedroom, one with access from right here in the living room space. And of course, you'll have the views out the side of the ship, out the aft of the ship. You'll have a full dining room table out there and quite a few loungers, because one of the reasons our guests take this particular suite is so they can host friends and family here on board. We do quite a few groups with Oceania. Whatever your affinity is, we're sure to be able to put that together so you can get the maximum value. We take care of all the details. You sit back, relax, and enjoy this beautiful space. Now, you'll see a full-size overstuffed sofa. You've got bubbly on ice. You've got 2 more chairs and a large flat panel TV. Now, this is a high-tech ship. You're gonna have a full infotainment system that you can set up with your phone. And of course, the television's fully interactive. You can see what's going on throughout the ship, in addition to watching television and choosing from a collection of movies on demand. Now, you can also utilize your phone or device to control all the different curtains in here. You can use it for the televisions and the temperature controls. Now, just behind me, you'll find a full bar setup. Once again, elegantly designed. You can have parties right here in your suite. In fact, that's one of the favorites of our guests here. The butler can arrange for all of that. You'll see the Vero water. Of course, Oceania always includes sodas, specialty coffees, and teas. You'll have water from Vero water throughout the ship. You can take your bottles around the ship and refill them. Of course, you can take them on land. Today, we're here in Italy, as I mentioned. When you're heading out to a beautiful Italian town, you can take it with you, come back on board, and you can imagine your butler drawing that bubble bath for you, maybe having a nice glass of champagne before you head out and enjoy one of the exquisite restaurants. Now, as we head further through the space, we're gonna head right around the corner. Now, this does have a full butler's pantry. Now, one of the things that I love about this setup is your butler can come into the suite, they can get everything ready, set up your dining room table, head on out for breakfast, open the curtains, and get those stunning views wherever in the world that you are. Now, another great feature is you're gonna have a full bath here to the side. So if you do have guests over, or if you're having a party, they can utilize this space without heading into your personal space. Now, one of the big changes of the setup of this particular suite is right here, and I think it might be my very favorite. You've got a full dining room table. Once again, that beautiful upgraded decor from Ralph Lauren. And from the dining room table, you have floor to ceiling windows, so wherever you're sailing in the world, you're gonna be greeted with an incredible view. Now, because you're in the top suite here, you can have every single meal served right here at your dining room table. Whether you want it from the specialty restaurants or the grand dining room, it's all delicious. They'll serve it course by course, and you can enjoy a meal right here in your private residence. Now, just through the door here, and it does shut completely for privacy, you're gonna find your bedroom space. You've got a full king-size bed, and of course, Oceania is known for the quality of their linens, pillows, and mattress. You can choose from a full pillow menu so you can get the perfect fit for you. You've got nightstands on either side with drawers where you can tuck things away completely. A US plug, a USB, and a USB-C plug on either side. You've got 2 comfortable chairs, and the television is perfectly situated right here at the foot of the bed. You press the remote, it'll come up. You can watch those movies on demand, or maybe your favorite television shows, put it back down, and take advantage of those stunning views. Now, heading further through, you're gonna have a large dressing room and closet space, plenty of space to tuck all your things away for a short voyage or a grand voyage. You'll also have the full master bathroom. Once again, they're just putting the finishing touches on this incredible suite. And as Frank Sinatra says, the best is yet to come. Now, we will fill you in with all the details here. We'll tour your entire suite here in just a bit. But keep in mind, you're gonna have that incredible soaking tub where you get the aft-facing views. You're also gonna have the shower in there, the large marble countertops, and all the upgraded bath amenities from Bulgari. Now, this truly is a residence at sea, and because there's only 3 here on board, they generally sell out the quickest. We love when our guests get to experience it, but nothing's more disappointing for me than when our guests reach out a bit after deployment and this is not available. So make sure that you reach out to the experts at Harr Travel when you're ready to make this incredible space your residence at sea. We know we can help craft your cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the Harr Travel signature service every step of the way. And of course, Oceania's incredible cuisine.